Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So today we'll see IRR where cost of capital is not at all given. No percentage, nothing is given. Simply a problem is said like this. Calculate IRR, project cost is this much, inflows are this. No percentage is given. We have to guess both the cost of capital percentages. Both the cost of capital we have to guess and we have to work out. Very simple, nothing to worry. Did you follow the last class? Yes, then it is easy. Now see the problem. The problem is given like this. Calculate the year. Project cost is 22,000 and every year they are expecting inflow of 12,000, 4,000, 2,000, 4,000, 10,000 means 4 years we are expecting. The project is for 4 years. Calculate IRR. First of all, cost of capital, one cost of capital is required. Based on that, we'll calculate NPV. Okay, based on that, we'll calculate NPV. As per the result of NPV, if it is positive, cost of capital more than that we have to calculate. Better, higher value of cost of capital we are going to take. Now, right now, when problem is given like this, as I have written year and cash inflows, as it is 12, 14, 2 and 10, 12, 14, 12, 4, 2 and 10,000. As it is I have written. Now, first of all, one cost of capital we have to take. I assume that first cost of capital is 10%. 10% is round figure na, good number na. So, I have taken PV at the rate of 10%. You can take even 12% also, doesn't matter. First one is guess, just guess. 10% I have taken. You know how to calculate. 1 by 1 plus R. R is here 10, means 1 by 1.10. If you press it on calculator, 1 by 1.10 means you are getting 0.909. When you get 0.901 is equal to next number is equal to like this, you know how to calculate this. Hope it is clear. Okay. After that, next step is PV factor of cash inflow, both multiplied and written over there. This total, present value total. Then after that, what do? NPV we have to calculate. Okay. Focus only up to here. So this already given, we have taken PV factor at the rate of 10%, multiplied, and you got this total present value of cash flow. Present value of cash flow when it is PV factor is 10%. This is the total. Now what we need to do? NPV we have to calculate. NPV formula is present value of cash inflow minus cash outflow. So this total 22,544 minus cash outflow. Cash outflow is 22,000. Difference is 544 I got. 544. This is positive. When this is positive, next cost of capital. First one is guess 10%. Next cost of capital based on the answer. Answer is positive. So I have to take higher than the 10%. So for that purpose, 2 columns I have prepared. PV factor at the rate of 12 I am taking. 10 is guess. 12 is also guess, but higher I am taking 12. You can take any number. 12%, 13%, 14%, 15%, like this you can take any. Right now a guess is 12%. As per the 12%, once again I have calculated 1 by this comes to 1.12. If you calculate, you are getting 0.893. Once if you get this value is equal to next number is equal to like you got 12%. Once if you get 12%, then what do? Cash flow at the rate of PV factor. So this multiplication is PVCF. Okay, 12,000 into 0.893. So you got PVCF, present value of cash inflow at the rate of 12%. So this is the total. NPV also will calculate. NPV is equal to present value of cash inflow minus outflow. Present value of cash inflow is this one, 21,688. Minus cash outflow 12,000. So your answer is minus 312. It doesn't matter. What we want, IRR we want. For IRR, formula is okay, IRR formula. So as per the formula IRR, lower lower cost of capital is 10. So 10 I have taken, plus present value of lower is this one. The present value is 22,544. Present value, not NPV, only present value. So I have written this one, minus cash outflow. Cash outflow is 22,000, and downside present value of lower, this one, same one, 22,544 minus present value of higher, means this one, 21,688. Okay, into higher minus lower. Higher is here 12, lower is 10, difference is 2. Calculations when I have done, I got 11.32%. 11.32% is the IRR. Am I clear? For more clarification, here when I have taken 12%, my answer is 11.32. If I take 15%, assuming, if I take 15% also, I have done some calculations. You see here also I got 11.32. 11.32, 11.32. See, 15% when I have taken, same one, 1 by 1 plus r. Here instead of 2, I'll write 5, 15%. Means 1 by 1.15. 1 by 1.15, I got this value, is equal to next value, like you got 15%. And this PV factor is multiplied with the cash inflow. So I got PV cash inflow. Okay. So that is PVCF, you can say. So this is PVCF. And next IRR I have calculated according to the 15% and 10%. Original 10%. If I take 12%, calculations are this. If I take 15%, calculation. 15% if I take, lower one is 10. 10 is lower. And add present value of lower. Present value of lower is 22,544. Minus cash outflow. Cash outflow is 22,000. Divided by present value of lower. Present value of lower is this one only. Minus present value of higher. Higher when I take 15%, then it is 20,495. Into difference. Difference means 15 minus 10. Here it is 15 and this is 10. If I take 15%, I got 11.32 only, the calculations if you see. Am I clear? At least now you must be 0% doubts. No doubt at all. IRR is very clear. Whether they are giving the cost of capital or not. In this today's class, no cost of capital. We have guessed and we have tried it. In the previous class, 11% cost of capital was given. It doesn't matter whether they are giving or not. Concept must be clear. Concept must be clear. How to calculate. What is this? How to decide it? Important point. First, when you guess and take one cost of capital like 10%, answer 544 plus. This is plus. Plus means I can take higher value. Higher cost of capital. Next, so I have assumed 12%. If I assume 15%, doesn't matter, whatever you want. You can go for 13, 14 also, anything. Ultimately, your calculations must be clear. Hope with this IRR is completed. Any doubts? No doubts? If no doubts, take out your textbook and work out few problems and see how you are getting the answers. If you are getting answers, yes, write it in the comment box. I feel very happy because many people feel IRR is tough. It is not at all tough. Very easy. Simple steps if you follow it. Clear? See you in the next class with another chapter of related to the same FM, financial management. Stay connected. Check out the playlist. Don't forget to share these videos. Please share with everyone because with lots of time and energy I'm preparing for you all. Practice well. Have a bright career. Good luck.